everyone, let's solve a problem. At a speed of 230 rpm, a partially filled open cylindrical tank of 40 cm in diameter and 1.5 meter in height rotates about its vertical axis to prevent any water from spilling. Determine the depth of water in the tank if it were brought to rest. So we have the figure here. Let's list out the given. We have omega is equal to 230 rpm. Diameter is equal to 40 centimeter, which can be converted to 0.4 meters. Height is equal to 1.5 meter. We're going to use the formula y is equal to omega squared times r squared over 2g. But first, we should convert 200 rpm to rad per second. So omega is equal to 230 rpm times 2 pi over 60, which we will have 24.08 rad per second. Now we can plug in the omega. Now we have y is equal to 24.08 squared times 0.2 meters, which is from the diameter, which is the radius of the diameter in meters, and over 2 times 9.81 meter per second squared. Now we have the y is equal to 1.18 meters. We can have 0.32 by subtracting 1.5 meters to 1.18 meters. We can calculate the depth by 1.18 meters divided by 2 plus 0.32 meters. And the depth is equal to 0.91 meters.